They're really heavy duty, quality made on the go camera bag or drone bag. This is the 4-liter version, but they also have a 6-liter and 10-liter version, which actually will hold your laptop. Opening up the main pocket, it opens wide, and you can see there's a spot for your camera and lenses. And I love this little detachable divider, so you can position it exactly how you want. Then over here, there's a zip pocket where you have a section for your cords, AirPods, batteries, and more. On the other side of that, there is a magnetic section to easily access cords, batteries, action cameras, and any other small accessories that you might need. There's even a little hidden spot in there for an air tag so that if someone takes it, you can find it. There's one more magnetic sleeve over on the back just for like quick access, more flat gear. And the whole thing is quality made. It's very well padded. It has a PU coating to keep it splash and scratch resistant. The stitching is really nice. And even with the zippers, I love that they have this little holder for them so that they're not dangling around. I also love that they have this quick adjustable buckle on the strap so you can pull it and loosen it if you need to. Also at the bottom, there's an easy strap system to put a small tripod, just making this a great little bag for travel with your gear.
Now